roadshow. O yung lineup ng company namin, ng Vidal. So one of the movies na naka-line up din is itong movie na to. And when they saw it, they applauded. Wow, sabi ko, ang galing na, pati mga cinema bookers ng SM, ang kasama kasi doon, most of them are managers of the whole SM cinemas. Mga iba't ibang branches all over, nationwide. So this was exclusively done for them. And we showed this, and they're very excited. Ang daming mga questions about it. Kailan ba yan mag-start? Kailan ba yan matatapos? Kasi also the cinemas now, they find it very low in supply ng Tagalog movies actually. That's why they've always been asking us kung kailan ba labas ng mga pelikula because they want to get back into the rhythm of, showing Filipino movies again na sunod-sunod, just like before pandemic. That's why we're here, trying our best to really deliver quality movies.
Ang bongga, no, Rochelle? Kasi parang balik yung sinasabi nila, sana sumigla yung local movie industry. And eto nga, isa ka sa nakikiisa. Oo, dahil ang daming movies ng
yeah. Isa ako sa mga nanonood ng Dirty Doom actually. So, pero napapanood ko si Frances. And because of their age, na bagayan, and I asked, of course, my director, si Crisanto, if it's agreeable, if we could get Frances. Kasi tamang-tama naman for the characters for this movie. And happily, kumuha na lang siya. Kasi they're not just, it's not just the age that I wanted to capture, also their talent. Kasi I've been watching yung Dirty Doom.
Thank you, Ms. Roselia.